The biggest mistakes I've ever made in cars, I always say, well, I'm gonna buy a car and say, oh, you know what, I'm gonna get a good price for the car. It's gonna be a quick flip, like a stuff and shoot, and then it becomes a can of worms, and then it's a year later, and I've dumped so much money into the car.
Yes.
I think it's way cheaper to just buy them built than building them.
I agree. Been there.
Done that.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be cheap. Yeah.
Right. You know, there's always that guy, built or bought, right?
Yep.
What is it? It's better. And I was like, I don't care. It's the end of the day. But I've always leaned towards the guys that build them because you got more respect for them. But honestly, after having a few project cars, I think it's a ratio of age. Mm-hmm. When you're young like Top G, you're cool with a project car, right?
Yeah.
Because you have all the time in the world.
Yeah, I guess.
But you don't have the money, the resources.
Right.
When you get older, you start getting adult. Oh, hey, we got our first caller.
Hey.
Let's go. Pick it up. See who's the first caller
The
today.
line is hot.
He's on.
Hello. Tropical Glitz.
I'm not gonna pick it up on the thing.
Pick it up, bro.
I muted my mic.
So I'll tell you about that car. I went to Mecum. I sold 4 cars that year. And I told myself I wanted to buy something chopped.
Okay.
Or a hot rod. I walk around, nothing. I walk around, nothing. And we were going to leave.
Okay.
And my dad was like, oh, let's walk around one more time before we leave. I said, okay, let's walk around a little bit.
Yeah, I do.
So I saw that car. There was 2. There was that one, and there was an orange.
Yeah, let me.
I don't even remember what kind of car it was, but with a working convertible top. Not chopped,
Okay.
but custom like that. It must have been the same guy, maybe retired or something, whatever.
Where did this car get built?
I have no idea.
Or who?
Like Ohio or something.
But who did you buy it from? A guy from Florida.
I bought it at Mecum.
Oh, okay. But did Mecum sell it from the original builder?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't think so.
Oh, because Mecum doesn't really disclose that. They don't say,
No,
builder owner.
They don't. But their car had a pack of binders in the back with a bunch of information, people's phone numbers, whatever. Anyway, I sat down in the car and I was like, oh my God, I want this.
All right.
Yeah, it's
And
sometimes.
we were going to leave. And I told my dad, I was like, you know what? Let's stay a couple of hours. I want to see what that car sells for because if we can buy it, you know. And we bought it. We
What?
paid
That's what I was gonna ask.
18 or 19 grand for the car.
What year was this in?
I don't remember. That's probably 5 years ago, 6, 7.
Can't
No,
be.
can't
No.
be, yeah.
No.
Probably 8 or 9 years ago.
Yeah,
already.
because I was in the store.
Wow.
Look, you don't even have a.
That wasn't by me yet. That was next door. I never took the pictures in front of the storefront.
Hobby. That's your old
I was
store.
already auctioning. Okay, so
You don't have a glass storefront. Look.
yes, I did. Those are the warehouses next door. Those are the warehouses to the left.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I already know what you're saying. I already know.
So-
Okay, I get you.
I bought that car so you can have a time frame. I bought that car. I came back from Mecum. 3 days later, I bought the 62.
Oh, Omega 62?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long did you have this car before you flipped it?
I don't know, 2 or 3 months.
Yeah, so.
And you sold it where? Turkey Rod Road?
No, I sold it.
Again at Mega?
No, I posted it online. Where did I post it? On eBay or something back then?
Oh, really?
And a guy called me. They went to Hawaii.
So.
You know what I love about the car? It's nice and clean. It has the Cadillac hubcaps, the French headlights.
Yep. It's a mild.
Yeah,
I
but
would
it's still
say.
cool. It's dope.
It was chopped, Carson top, shaved handles. It has the Buick side trim. It has the bubble skirts from back in the day that people used to use.
Yeah.
But other than that, the chrome is pretty stock. It's not.
You okay, Banjo?
Yeah, I was just making sure the light was on.
No, yeah, I turned on the light. So.
But the car drove, flamethrowers. It was fun.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Flamethrower.
I have a video somewhere on my phone. Where we
Why
were
do I
through the
think?
flames.
No, I didn't know you with this car. Or maybe I.
No, you didn't.
But I kind of knew you when you got Omega, though. Vaguely.
So I sold this car and then I bought the wagon. And that's around the time that we met.
Hmm. Yeah, well, no, I think that's the time that we started to like interact a
It
little
must
bit
have been
more.
a little bit after that car.
Dude, it's the same thing again. Like working on these cars
Sucks.
sucks. Look,
Mhm.
Banjo. See if you pull up. There's pictures of a black pickup truck that's in my driveway, and then there's the one that I'm pulling it with a Goodyear truck.
Oh yeah, we saw that picture the other day.
Yeah. Well, we saw it yesterday when we were doing the dry run.
Yeah.
But the pickup truck is a 64 C10, and I thought, oh, I'll buy it. I figured it was going to be something simple because I was never
There
a
you go.
pickup. Yeah, he'll zoom into it now. I was never a pickup guy,
Right.
and that's me there.
Oh my God, you look so short in it.
No, what do you mean? I look so short in
Look
it?
how low your head is. Look, you're
Oh,
you're up. Did it have seats in it?
yeah, it had seats in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
They must have been soft spring.
No. It's just it's a work truck. Yeah, I look
You
shorter.
look shorter in it than you are.
There was, so this truck's this 1964 C10
What did your
long bed,
wife say when
plate side.
you pulled that up into the driveway?
So we went to Safety Harbor, Florida. She was whatever about it. She called it the grandpa truck. Dude, the truck had a 350 with a 3-speed on the floor. Yeah.
Okay.
It was supposed to be 3 on the tree, and they converted 3 on the floor.
But it was a factor 6 probably.
No. It was a factory 3.
It was, no. I don't mean the transmission. I mean the motor. It wasn't a 350. It was like-
No.
It's probably a
The-
6-cylinder.
They're all
with a
6.
3-speed.
They're all straight 6s.
I don't think they all are. Didn't they come V8?
Some. This one was a straight 6.
Mm.
But the V8 is here and there. They're
I don't know
mostly
a lot about those.
And I drove it for a little bit, but it was too tough with that 3-speed. The gear ratio was so high, and then the differential and everything. It was like the truck was whining, like it was just the RPMs were through the roof, and that was supposed to be something fun.
And fast.
Yeah, that wasn't.
Here we are,
Yeah,
11
Manny, throw some pictures.
Here we are 11 years later.
11 years later, yeah. There's right there, it's a nice truck, bro. I've had people offered me, when I was driving around like this, people offered me, hey, I'll buy it as is. That's when these trucks were like.
Yeah, they were super hot at one point. Which they still are very
Yeah,
popular.
but you know what it was is that in my neighborhood, I would go walk, and there was a guy that had a 69 C10.
Mhm.
I didn't know what a C10 was. Later I figured out it's like it's the early version of Silverados
Right.
or 1500s.
Yeah, like the F1s.
Yeah, exactly.
Mhm.
And I've always had Impala, sedans, and all that. So I bought this, and dude, I enjoyed it. But it's 11, 12 years, and I'm still working on the car. And then take into account I stopped working on the car for a bunch of years to build up Tropical Glitz.
Part of a project.
Man, you see, there's some pictures of me painting a frame in the back.
I stepped away from the car world for a little bit when I started the auction.
Yeah, you have to.
When I became an auctioneer, I probably didn't buy and sell for 4 or 5 years. I didn't touch a car.
Yeah.